Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a Christmas design. I will be painting snowflakes and presents onto these nails. And remember, if you like these watch me work style videos, remember to click the like button down below and go ahead and click the subscribe button for more videos if you haven't already. And without further ado, here we go! So the client here has on the Aprés short-stiletto nails. I'm going to be painting this red color on her. We're actually going to be putting down 2 coats of the red before I start the art. Now for the nude colored base on her pointer finger here, I'm going to be putting on 1 coat of this color and then 1 coat of the glitter on top. So after you have cured those 2 layers in the lamp, you're going to put on this glitter layer, and using the brush, you're just going to make that layer really thin. You don't want a thick layer of glitter, so just go ahead and thin it out with the brush, like I'm doing here. So once you have the glitter painted and ready, you can go ahead and cure it into the lamp before you start your design. I'm putting down my white paint onto the ceramic plate and using the Aprés silver metallic paint and my ugly duckling detailer brush and my dotting tool. So the detailer brush is really nice for this specific design because you can make very, very thin lines.
Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god, now I want to put all the nails. Oh my god, that's beautiful.
So we were originally going to paint a Christmas tree onto this finger, which is why I used the glitter background. If I knew we were going to use the present instead, I would have went with a more neutral background, but we worked with it anyways. So I decided I still wanted green elements in the present with the red to bring, you know, that Christmas spirit, but we still wanted gold in the present as well. So we decided to make a gold ribbon or bow on the top. Now here you can see I struggled with the gold to show up against the gold glitter on the background. So I eventually used the white to try to outline around the gold to make the present look more 3D and more obvious to the eye. So after fixing it up, it all turned out fine, but while I was doing it, I swear I was not breathing. Also, sorry for my hair or my head being in the way. I didn't notice that it was totally covering part of the camera until halfway through, but I had already filmed. But I'll be more aware next time. It's kind of funny now that I'm looking at it, but yes, sorry about that. And I did want to include some footage from the other hand. The other finger turned out a lot better because I knew what I needed to do to make it look nicer, because the other hand was kind of our guinea pig. So on this side, the outline turned out more crisp. Of course, both sides look beautiful either way because, you know, I'm an artist and all. Like, seriously, look how satisfying it is. This brush, really, if you don't have this brush already, you need to get yourself one. This is the detailer brush from Ugly Duckling. They have 1 and 2. I have both of them and they both work fabulously. But this one is the more detailed one and you must have it if you do any kind of outlining at all. And of course, just so you can see the brush at work again, here's the magic on the other thumb. And of course, to finish off, I'm going to be going over the designs with Aprés Gel Top Coat. You guys know that this is my go-to because it always seals in the design perfectly. You can always be sure that your design will be super shiny and scratch resistant. So that concludes our Christmas nail art tutorial. Remember to like this video and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that bell button to get notifications for any new videos that I post. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at BOB Nails. That's BEOBEE Nails. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!